And we're back to Inkscape 1.4 updates. Let me create a simple path here using the pen tool, because there are some updates to the path effects when it comes to the rulers. We get rid of the fill by clicking on the X, and I make it a black stroke, so I'll shift click on the black color swatch. Now I go to path effects right here. Path is selected, and now I go to ruler. You can also type that in, and then it should find it. Left click on it, and here are some updates to this live path effect. It's to set the unit, then mark the distance. We go to 20, and I adjust major and minor length. So this is for the length of these markers. And now you can set an angle, so you can skew it. Here is the gap. Then you can shift it from the start position onwards. We'll go back to 0. There's an offset, and we can set the major steps. So if you don't want to have 5 but 10, you can adjust it here. Finally, we can switch the direction from left to right. I have both. Both puts it in the center of your path. And you can set the marker. Just watch at the top left. When I set it to none, this marker vanishes. So a couple of updates to this live path effect. Interesting tool, definitely helps you creating these rulers a little bit quicker. And usually you want to have a straight line, so it works on that too. I just created this curved path to show you that it works on any. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.